In this video, we will provide you with some good tips about how to make a good profile. Go to Presentation and then click on Profile. It's important to have a good description about your company, how many employees your company has, and what kind of services you are offering to the customers. It's also important to have a good picture of your contact person so the customers know who they are going to contact for offers. You can also add a picture of your logo and a link to your website if you have one. It's also important to share what kind of certificates your company has. You can choose in this list what kind of certificates your company has and then click on Save. 76% of our customers think it's important that you share what kind of certificates your company has. Under References, you can share completed jobs from before. If you also share pictures on completed jobs, it increases your chances to get hired by new customers. You can also add new references and edit existing ones. Under Reviews, you can read reviews from previous customers, and you can also answer them if you want to. Did you know that 92% of our customers think it's important that you have reviews and references they can read? Under Request Review, you can ask previous customers about the review. Just add their email and click on Add. Under Business Areas, you can see in which kind of areas you are offering your services. What kind of steps you need to improve to have a really good profile to get hired by customers.